Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Queens. Just a couple new articles, wanted to update on Bakkt. Just a couple things about BTC price, Facebook coin, just some updates on what we've been talking about before. So, this is a new article. Major coins trading sideways. Bitcoin deepens under $10,000. Monday, September 23rd, major cryptocurrency markets are reporting mixed signals, with Bitcoin being slightly bearish following the launch of Bakkt's physically delivered Bitcoin futures. The leading digital currency Bitcoin is down 1.55% on the day to trade at about $9,813 at publishing time. During the day, BTC has been trading in a narrow corridor between $9,788 and $10,097, the lowest and highest price points of the coin over the day. As Cointelegraph reported in a dedicated analysis earlier on Monday, if Bakkt momentum picks up, Bitcoin prices could see resistance about $10,630 on the day. On the other hand, support on the weekly Bollinger Band sits about $7,700. If this level is broken, the price needs to hold $7,150 before the monthly moving average is breached. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, is slightly down by 0.2% over the day, trading at $207.07 at publishing time. The major altcoin saw its highest price point over the week on September 19th, reaching $223.70, with a weekly low of $191 on September 16th. Conversely, XRP is in the green today, having gained 2.68% to trade at around 28 cents at publishing time. The third largest coin traded at about 0.258 on September 16th, which was XRP's lowest price point on its weekly chart, while the high was 0.323 on September 18th. On the top 20 cryptocurrencies list, Chainlink, Tezos, and IOTA are major gainers, up 3%, 4.22%, and 4% respectively. Major losers are Stellar and Monero, which are down by more than 3%, while Algorand has lost 5.93% on the day. Also on Monday, Binance officially announced the listing of XTZ, launching 3 new trading pairs featuring BTC, top stablecoin Tether, and Binance's native token Binance Coin. The total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies is at $265 billion at publishing time, up from a weekly low of $259 billion earlier on Monday. So that's just a little bit of analysis about the ups and downs of the price of BTC today. It's interesting to see why the change. They're saying because of this movement here with Bakkt. So we'll see kind of how that goes. I hope it doesn't get to 7,700, but we'll see. So here is to go into Bakkt. Bakkt trades 18 BTC in first 7 hours as Bitcoin price falls below $10,000. This article was 16 hours ago. 18 BTC in volume has been traded since the launch of Bitcoin futures on the Intercontinental Exchange, ICE's Bakkt platform yesterday, September 22nd. The much anticipated contracts, the first of their kind to be physically settled in Bitcoin, went live at 8 p.m. Eastern Time on September 22nd. Here's a chart here of the first hours. Went down a little bit. As of the most recently available data at the time of writing, 18 BTC has been traded, with the last recorded trading price of $10,042.50 for 1 BTC. Many crypto commentators have commented on the apparently slight volumes, with one trader comparing the platform's launch so far to patterns typically seen with earlier products. CME Bitcoin futures traded $460 million on its first week. Current volume is around $700 million. The Van Eck fake ETF traded $0 on its first week. Cryptocurrency investor Ari Paul argued that physical delivery is likely to slow adoption, at least initially, contending that probably a more gradual scale up since it's physical. With CME futures, anyone with the right FCM, futures commission merchant, could immediately trade on launch. I'd think the incremental demand beyond CME would come from people who want to buy or sell physical for delivery, at least at first. Receiving could be instant. Use FCM to convert, but I'm kind of thinking depositing physical will be gradual. Despite long anticipation of the new contract's launch, the markets have yet to register any impact, with Bitcoin trading tepidly below $10,000 as of press time. When it comes to the fiat-settled Bitcoin futures contracts on CME, their expiration and rollover dates have historically exerted pressure on Bitcoin markets. Traders will no doubt be closely eyeing signs of potential impact from Bakkt's product in the coming days. Taking a wider view, Fundstrat analyst and well-known Bitcoin bull Tom Lee had tweeted on September 20th that he was very positive on Bakkt and its ability to improve trust with institutions to crypto. There's just a little update, so we'll see. We'll continue monitoring that and see where that goes. Lastly, I do have an update for the Facebook Libra coin. I know how I talked about that before. This is from a few days ago, but I just wanted to touch base here on it. German finance minister says government must reject Facebook's Libra coin. German Finance Minister Olaf Scholz stated that policymakers cannot accept parallel currencies such as Facebook's proposed Libra stablecoin. As reported by Reuters on September 17th, German Vice Chancellor and Finance Minister Olaf Scholz said during a panel discussion in Berlin that Facebook's planned crypto coin Libra will be clearly rejected. He said, "We cannot accept a parallel currency. You have to reject that clearly." According to a document seen by Reuters, German regulators are working closely with their European and international allies to make sure stablecoins will not become alternatives to traditional currencies. The document reportedly read, "The federal government will work at European and international level to ensure that stablecoins will not become an alternative to official currencies." The German government has spoken out against Facebook's Libra project before. On September 13th, German parliamentarian Thomas Hellmann stated that the government will block projects like Libra, claiming that the authorities are not planning to allow any market-relevant private stablecoins, following in France's footsteps. Meanwhile, David Marcus, head of Calibra, was attempting to defuse Libra's perceived threat to the global financial system yesterday. Marcus pointed out during a meeting between Libra founders and 26 global central banks in Basel that Libra's cryptocurrency project does not intend to form a new currency, but rather build a better payment network and system running on top of existing currencies to deliver meaningful value to users over the globe. He emphasized that there is no new money creation, which will strictly remain the province of sovereign nations. So, it's easy. A lot of these big banks, currency, people get scared. They think that fiat currency or, standard money is going to be threatened by this just because of how attractive it is to people and how more popular it's becoming. But we'll continue monitoring that. There's some good news that comes out every day, so we'll continue posting as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.